Since couple of months I'm using on my motorcycle, on my Honda Transalp 750, I'm using the CHIGEE dashboard camera, which I think it's among the best ones. And while traveling, while speaking with the other riders, they ask me if I have or if I can speak with CHIGEE and to show them or to have this option for BMW. And here I have it. I have a CHIGEE dashboard camera for BMW. This is very important. This is plug and play. So we just open it, install it, and see how it works, see how it looks. We have the option for the BMW. You have also a special price in the video description. Let's start. At your request, we have now the AIO-5 play for BMW, navigation mode for BMW, the CHIGEE AIO-5 play available. We're gonna install it on the bike. We have this BMW 1200 GS. It's plug and play. Alright, we're gonna connect the CHIGEE with the phone. We need to connect with the phone's Wi-Fi. We're gonna make a hotspot on the telephone. Connection successful. Activating. This is the first step in order to activate the product. Activation success. You first have to update the app. You can click update now. The software will download the automatic update. Now we make an update of the CHIGEE AIO-5 for BMW. You can check its minimalistic design. I mean, it fits perfectly on this BMW. This is a 2017 BMW 1200 GS. It works perfectly fine. This is a pretty good solution when you have not such a modern, when you have, let's say, previous versions of motorcycle. This type of devices are improving drastically and give you a benefit, an extra benefit in terms of navigation, in terms of connectivity. The update is done, and now we're looking forward to enter in the menu. And here it is. Everything is set up. Go to the settings, system upgrade for the best experience. And now you can customize everything. You have also brightness settings, and we're gonna get in detail with the other settings. We've installed everything, plug and play, pretty easy. We've made the update. Let's check out the wheel, if it's working with the wheel. You can operate via the wheel of the motorcycle. We've checked if the wheel is working. Let's check it out. Yes, it's working. You can see that you can operate the nav via the rotation wheel from BMW. This is pretty important. S-a conectat. So everything is working in terms of wheel functionality. Everything works perfectly. You can choose to use the navigation pretty easy. Choose the traffic, choose everything, choose the direction, connect everything with the communication systems. This CHIGEE, it's at a different level, honestly. We've tested so many devices, man. So many devices were tested, but CHIGEE has it all so far. You can pair the headset, you can pair the remote control, the tire pressure monitor sensor.
Built for BMW motorcycles, this plug-and-play model gives you instant access to CarPlay and Android Auto, no installation required. It also features native integration with real-time engine data, full WonderWheel control, tire pressure monitoring, and anti-theft protection for a smarter, safer ride. This is the AIO-5 Play for BMW with instant access. Eye-catching features integrate perfectly with BMW silky smooth 60 frames per second HFR mirroring, native WonderWheel control, no extras needed, triple log wireless mirroring with instant access, IP68 rated, OTA update. It integrates perfectly with your stock navigation prep, bringing modern capabilities to your prized bike. This is a plug-and-play fitment for BMW nav prep directly into your existing nav prep mount with an OM level fit and finish. No awkward sidelines, no control or gauges blocked, just a natural extension that looks like it rolled off the assembly line installed. The AIO-5 Play integrates with your BMW time pressure monitor sensor, providing real-time tire pressure monitoring at a glance. Its sleek interface displays vital readings clearly, eliminating the need for extra parts or guesswork. If your tire pressure drops, an intuitive warning appears with exact readings. Stay safe and informed with the AIO-5 Play, ensuring peak riding safety every mile. It has a native WonderWheel control. Once connected to your BMW, the AIO-5 Play allows you to operate the device seamlessly using the WonderWheel without the need for additional accessories. It features the ARM-V8A architecture or dual-core Cortex-A53 processor, supports 60-bit computing. Compared to other products on the market, the AIO-5 Play's processor delivers a 135% performance boost, a rock-solid operating system, 60 frames per second HFR screen mirroring, crisp, smooth visual, and a seamless touch experience. Auto connection, set up once, ride hassle-free forever. Track your time, speed, distance, and more, giving you deeper insights into every journey. The operating system, CHIGEE OS, is designed exclusively for motorcycling. With continuous firmware updates, it embodies CHIGEE's commitment to perfection. The new standard in waterproof durability, featuring a high-strength magnesium aluminum alloy and LG CHAM PC Plus fiber, the AIO-5 Play resists twisting, weathering, and chemical corrosion. Shin Etsu from Japan enhances water resistance, ensuring stability and durability. Direct phone to headset connectivity. If your BMW doesn't support wheel wander controls, wireless remote allows you to handle music, calls, and apps with a tap, while keeping your hands on the handlebars. It has a high brightness display, 1000 nit. With an IP68 rating, the design is waterproof and dustproof, standing up to heavy rain. It maintains stability and smooth performance in extreme temperatures, from 60 Celsius heat to -20 Celsius cold. And of course you have some optionals like protective storage case, sunshade, screen protector, CHIGEE RC can for BMW, WonderWheel control, external tire pressure sensors.
Honestly, guys, we've tested everything. We've tested so many devices. We've tested so many gadgets like this one. But CHIGEE is CHIGEE. And when I say that, I mean it. Everything went absolutely perfect, starting from the plug-and-play system, starting from how easy it is to use the product, how quality made it's amazing quality made. It also have a tempered glass film to protect the display of this CHIGEE AIO-5 Play. Everything went perfectly with this CHIGEE. The rotation wheel sensitivity was very good, instantaneously almost. Everything went perfect from the beginning. CHIGEE made the update. It worked very nice. We were very happy with the product. CarPlay, Android Auto, online navigation, 60 frames per second frame rate display. Not many devices can have this, and IP68 waterproof. I think this is more than enough for extreme riding. You have the original bike tire pressure, WonderWheel control. So WonderWheel control perfectly, quick installation, and 1000 nit highlight screen. We've mounted this on a 2017 BMW 1200 GS Adventure, and honestly, this is the best product we've tested so far, we've installed so far. You have a link in the description with all the details. You have a special price for this product. Check out the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.